Welcome to this presentation on KFTL's Accident and Incident Investigation Reporting Procedures. This session is designed to raise awareness and ensure all team members are informed and aligned on the correct steps to follow when reporting and investigating workplace accidents and incidents. Let's work together to maintain a safe and accountable work environment. Objective of the presentation: define key terms for accident, incident, injury, near miss, KFTL sponsor, TINA, and CHAMPS. Explain KFTL's policy on incident or accident reporting and investigation. Detail the procedures to follow in both emergency and non-emergency situations. Emphasize the importance of timely reporting and closing of corrective action. Definitions: accident: an unforeseen event causing injury, property, or environmental damage. Incident: an unplanned event that affects tasks, may or may not cause harm. Must be reported if it results in damage or has the potential to. Injury: health change due to work-related activity or incident. Includes physical harm or legal rights violation. Near Mississippi: unplanned event with the potential to cause harm, but does not. Important for preventative action. KFTL sponsor: point of contact for KFTL, especially for third parties. TINA: CMA/CGM system for tracking incidents and actions. CHAMPS: software for equipment lifecycle management, including maintenance and repairs. KFTL policy overview: KFTL will ensure effective tracking of all incidents and accidents. KFTL will comply with the requirements of the regulations and CMA/CGM group policies. Preventative and corrective measures will be prioritized to avoid recurrence. Reporting and incident initial steps: incident shall be reported to the supervisor or designate immediately. Visitors must report an incident via emergency response numbers, as instructed in the safety induction. Note, both accidents and near misses must be reported. Non-emergency cases: supervisor or designate notifies safety or environmental units. Occupational Health Center, OHC, engineering team. For property damage, there must be a CHAMP entry and a report generated within 24 hours. Injured party must be accompanied to the OHC by the supervisor or designate, or the KFTL sponsor in the case of third parties. Do not move equipment until evidence is gathered by the safety and/or environment unit. Emergency cases: emergency response team assumes control of the scene and the incident. Security Operations Center initiates emergency response plan. High potential events: report of notification should be sent within 24 hours. Special cases, e.g., fatality, fire, or explosion, etc., require a Factories Act report of accident form as required by Section 21 of the Act. Factories Act reporting: applicable for fatalities, fires, explosions, structural failures, machinery-related stoppages, extended work absence, 3 or more days. The QSSEHOD, the safety manager or designate shall review and sign the Factories Act report of accident form, which shall be emailed to the Chief Factory Inspector within 2 weeks of the accident evidence gathering. It is conducted by the safety and/or environmental team. Must begin immediately. Must includes photographs, individuals involved and eyewitnesses interviews, scene documentation. Use of accident incident interview form, KFTL QSSE AIF 12, report. Uploaded to TINA via mobile reporting software in Ablin. Compiling reports. Reports to be completed: personnel incident/injury report, KFTL OPS PIR 11, completed by the supervisor, KFTL sponsor, or designate. Accident/incident report, KFTL QSSE RAIU 03, completed by the individuals involved and eyewitnesses. Incident memorandum, KFTL OPS IM 113, generated by compliance team personnel. The compliance personnel will collate both reports and attach the incident memorandum. Root cause analysis, conducted using the 5WHYS method for severity A and B events and the fault tree analysis method for severity C, D and E events. Includes establishment of corrective action, assignment to the relevant personnel, and agreed upon due dates based on the resource requirement, corrective actions updated and tracked in TINA. Monitoring corrective actions. Safety team will conduct follow-up to ensure closeout of assigned corrective or preventative actions and shall implement a monitoring frequency to assess the effectiveness of the implemented corrective action. Revisit root cause analysis if corrective actions fail. Document access and distribution. Documents can be accessed via KFTL's intranet and the workstations applicable to the document. Hard copies of certain documents should be disseminated to a central location where necessary. Summary: know the definitions, accident, incident, injury, near miss, report all events immediately, follow procedures, emergency versus non-emergency, proper. Documentation and investigation are crucial. Timely corrective actions prevent recurrence. Q&A and contact information. For further clarification, contact the Safety Unit at 876-489-9076 or email Group Safety Coordinators DL. Thank you for your time and attention. We appreciate your commitment to understanding KFTL's accident and incident investigation reporting procedures. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please feel free to ask.